Arnett with Real Estate Pros in Orlando, Florida. I'd like to introduce you to one of my new listings at 20749 Newby Street in Orlando, Florida. We've got an open house on Friday from 4 to 8 p.m. Don't miss it. Entering into the house, you enter into a little walkway with a nice home office, definitely workable home office, into a large kitchen, bar, living room space with lots and lots of upgrades. This side of the house, the second and third bedroom. Opposite side of the house is the master suite. Nice eat-in kitchen, huge island, gas stove, pot filler. Again, upgrades, upgrades, upgrades. Let's go check out the master suite. On the way to the master suite, you got a nice laundry room with slow close barn doors so they don't slam. This is the master suite. Very, very pretty. You have his and hers master closets with lighted mirrors, heated mirrors. You got your standalone tub, dual shower heads with a rain head. On the opposite side of the house, you have the guest bathroom along with the two guest bedrooms. This is a full bath, shower, vanity. And then you have guest bedroom number one, which is, this is a king bed in here, so that tells you the size of the room. You've also got your closet space. And then when you go into the second bedroom, or technically the third bedroom, this has a queen. It could be a king, but this shows you again the size of the room, along with again your own closet. This is a nice wet bar area with a bar refrigerator and built-in ice maker. These appliances do stay with the house. This is a great area to entertain in, have guests over and socialize. You got the triple patio door that leads out to the lanai, the full screened-in lanai, built-in speakers in the lanai, and then of course your huge fenced-in backyard. This is the garage area. It's a 3-stall garage with a 50 amp service for your electric vehicle, a welder, any 50 amp service that you might need, an RV, something like that. The doors are all 8-foot doors, so you can get an oversized vehicle in here. The garage is also deeper than standard, so you can actually pull your vehicle in and still be able to work in the garage around the vehicle. So now we're out on the lanai, the screened-in lanai. You have 2 ceiling fans, you have 4 speakers, lots of lighting, 9 external cameras on the house that lead out to the nice, entertaining, big backyard. You've also got a built-in exhaust. So now we are in the backyard. Basically what they have between the front yard and the fenced-in area is just about an acre fenced in and front yard. Outside the back gate there is another 0.58 acres. So what you see here is just a small portion, or a little more than half of what you would actually be buying. Let's walk out and take a look at what's the additional space. Now we're outside the fenced-in area. This is the additional space that they own. You got a little bridge that takes you over a culvert here to the back of their lot. And they own all the way out to the drainage culvert in the very back, which is this huge lot included in the purchase of this property. Don't forget Friday, June the 3rd from 4 to 8 p.m. open house right here at 20749 Newby Street. Again, Larry Arnett with Real Estate Pros. You can call me, 407-595-3696. hope to see you here on Friday.